Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign into the Google account tied to your class, then open Google Classroom and pick the course. Once there, click the Assignments tab and find the specific task. That narrows choices. Make sure your work is in a supported format, PDF or Office files, or upload to Drive first. Next, click View Assignment and choose Add or Create. This begins the upload flow you'll complete in the next steps. Now attach your work. Click Add or Create and pick File Upload or Google Drive. You can also drag and drop from your laptop. If you upload multiple versions, rename files using last name first name assignment to avoid confusion. Once files appear under your work, review their icons and sizes to ensure they uploaded fully. If you used Google Drive links, set sharing to anyone with the link or specific class accounts. Otherwise, the teacher can't open them. Once finish by clicking Turn in or Mark as done, you'll see a confirmation. This commits your files to the teacher. Once done, open the preview to verify the correct document and check the timestamp so you know it went through on time. If submission fails, don't panic. Clear your browser cache and cookies, try an incognito window, or compress the file and re-upload. If Drive permissions block access, change link sharing to the class or add the teacher's email directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.